morning children, welcome to our math class. Yesterday we have learned one important concept. What is it? I explain it once again. Any triangles with the same base and same area have their third vertices on a line which is parallel to the base. This is an important concept. Once again I repeat it. Any triangles with the same base and same area have their third vertices on the line parallel to the base. Okay. Then I have given two home assignments yesterday. Some of you had told me they are not getting that answers. How to do that question they are asking like that. So I explained the first question now here. Please listen it. The question is, draw triangles of sides 3, 4 and 6 centimeters. Draw three different right triangles of the same area. This is the question. So we can draw the triangle first. The sides are 3, 4 and 6. Then we have to draw a right triangle with the same area. We have to draw a right triangle with the same area. We know the concept. What is that concept? For the same base and same area, where should be the third vertex? It should be on the line parallel to the base. Okay. So, to get the area same of triangle ABC, we need another triangle of same area. To get another triangle with the same area, we know that the third vertex, it should be on the parallel line. So we can draw a parallel line. This is the triangle ABC. AB is the base. To the base AB, we have to draw a parallel line like this. The third vertex, it should be on this parallel line. Then one more condition is there. What is it? The triangle, the new triangle, it be a right triangle. Right triangle means it makes one of the angle, it will be 90 degree. So here you have to draw a perpendicular line here. Now this is a perpendicular line. See here the new triangle also. Then this is the third vertex. D. We can mark it as D and join B and D. Okay. Now we get a triangle ABD with the same base as before. AB is the base, same base, and the third vertex D, it is on the parallel line through C. Okay. Now the triangle ABD, it has the same area of the triangle ABC, and triangle ABD is a right triangle. This is the first one. And second one. Then one more triangle. We have to draw three different right triangles. So the next figure, here also the triangle ABC, and we need another right triangle with the same area. With the same area means we need the same base. So we can take the base as BC now. Now we take the base as BC and through A, draw a parallel line. Through A, draw a parallel line to BC. Now BC is the base and this is the parallel line. And we need another triangle with the same area. The triangle should be a right triangle also. So at the point B or C, anywhere we can draw. I am drawing a line making 90 degree here. Now we get the point which makes, it is a perpendicular line and it intersects the parallel line also here. So we can mark the third vertex as E. Now the triangle is now BCE. BCE is the new right triangle with the same area of triangle ABC. And the same way, so first we take AB as the base and draw a right triangle. And in the second figure, we take BC as the base and draw a right triangle. And the third one, we can take AC as the base. When we take AC as the base, we have to draw a parallel line through B. We have to draw a parallel line through B and draw a right triangle. So we can draw a right angle here, this one. Now we get another point here, F. Here the base as AC and F is another vertex of the triangle. And if we join these points, we get the new triangle ACF with the same area of triangle ABC. These are the three ways how we have to draw three different right triangles. But some of you draw triangles different, they draw triangles, but they are not different triangles. Equal triangles they draw and send me. It is not correct. You have to take the different base, different sides as the base, and we have to draw right triangles. Okay. Then we can do the third question, page number 12, third question. The question is, draw a circle and a triangle with one vertex at the center of the circle and the other two on the circle. The question is, first you have to draw a circle and a triangle with one vertex at the center of the circle. Circle. And one vertex at the center of the circle and other two on the circle. Three vertices are there. Then first vertex is, it is on the center and the other two on the circle. So we can draw a triangle like this. Now it is a triangle with one vertex at the center O and the other two on the circle. It is, we can take it as A and B. Then draw another triangle of same area with all three vertices on the circle. Another triangle with the same area. Same area means, you know, same area. Same area means where should be the third vertex? And the question is, you have to draw another circle, another triangle with the same area and all three vertices on the circle. Here two of the vertices are now on the circle. And we need one more vertex. It should be also on the circle, and if we draw a triangle with that vertex, we're going to get the area same as triangle OAB. We need another triangle with the same area. So we can take another triangle, same area means we need a parallel line. So we draw a parallel line through O. And we need three vertices on the circle. Here A and B are on the circle, and take the third vertex as this one. It is again on the circle. Now join these. We get a triangle ABE. Same area as that of triangle ABO, and the three vertices A, B and E are on the circle. This is the third question. You have to do it in your notebook. And the next question. How many different triangles can you draw with the two sides 8 and 6 cm and area 12 square centimeter? The question is, how many different triangles can you draw with the two sides 8 and 6? Two sides 8 cm and 6 cm and area 12 square centimeter. So if we take the base as 8 centimeter and if we take the side, one more side, it is given it as 6 centimeter and area 12 means If we take the base as 8 and to get the area 12, what should be the height? What should be the height of this triangle? What will be it? Area 12, base 8. So what will be the height? We can draw, we know that area means half BH. It is equal to 12 given. Half into base, we take it as 8. So half into 8 into h equal to 12. Then 2 in 8, 4 times. So 4 into h equal to 12. So h equal to 12 divided by 4, it is equal to 3 centimeter. So the height is 3 centimeter. So if you take height 3 centimeter and draw a triangle with a height 3 centimeter, its area is 12. But in our question, we need two sides 8 and 6. So how you draw triangle? The area should be 12. Area it is 12 means, and base it should be the same. We can take AB as the base. We can take it as 8. The same area means we have to draw a line which is parallel to the base. And the third vertex, it should be on this parallel line. Then only we get the area same. The third vertex of this triangle, of the new triangle, it will be on the parallel line. Then only we get the same area. Where is the position of that third vertex? Here it is given the second side as 6 centimeter. So using your compass, take 6 centimeter measure in the compass. We can mark arc like this. That is from here 6 centimeter. It be here 6 centimeter. And we get one more side, one more 6 centimeter, one more length 6 centimeter. This side also we get one point. That is, if you join this one, we get a triangle ABD. The area same as first triangle ABC or 12 centimeter square, and sides are 8 centimeter and this side it is 6 centimeter. And now you join this point. We can take it as, mark it as E, and this distance also it is 6 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. If we join like this here, again we get one more triangle with the same area 12 and two sides 8 and 6 centimeter. So using the measures 8 and 6 centimeter and the area 12 centimeter square, we can draw two triangles like this. This is the next question. And in that question one more is the, what if the area is to be 24 square centimeter? Area 24 square centimeter. That is, sides are the same 8 and 6. The second part of this question, the sides are 8 and 6 centimeter and the area is 24. How to draw? How many different triangles we can draw like this? For this, you take the measures and draw the figures and find out how many triangles you can draw using these measures. Okay, this is a home assignment. Then the next question. In the picture below, the lines parallel to each side of the blue triangle through the opposite vertex are drawn to make a big triangle. How many triangles in the picture have same area as that of the blue triangle, and how many of them have the same measures of the blue triangle? First we can find out how many triangles are the same area of the blue triangle. Here, the middle one is the blue triangle, and we can see three yellow triangles also here. The question is, how many equal triangles, how many triangles having same area in this figure? Okay, you find out. Same area means we know same area, it is same, we need a same base and a third vertex, it should be on the parallel. It is given that this line is parallel to this one and this line is parallel to this one and this line is parallel to this one. These three lines are parallel and here also these two, and same here also. Lines are parallel, lines are there, and equal area means we need the same base and same base, and the third vertex it should be on the parallel line. So we can take the blue triangle. We can mark it as ABC. Blue triangle ABC. We can take AB as the base and take AB as the base, and the triangle, which triangle have, we can mark here as DEF. AB. We can take the triangle ABC and taking AB as the base. In these figures, which triangle have same area of triangle ABC? Taking AB as the base. Yes, here F is on the parallel line, so we can join ABF. ABF means AB the same base and F is on the parallel line. Now we get a triangle ABF, same area of triangle ABC. And the left side also, here D is again on the parallel line. So here also we get one more triangle. What is it? Same base AB, ABD. This also same area of triangle ABC. And the same way you can find out two more pairs. That is, now we get a triangle ABF and ABD, and by taking AB as the base. And the same way, if you take BC as the base, then also you get two more triangles. And if you take AC as the base, then also you get two more triangles. So find out the other four triangles also. These are the triangles having equal area. And one more question is how many triangles have same measures? Same measures. How you get it? Same measures means, see, consider this one, this figure. What is this? Here AB parallel to CF and AC parallel to BF. So what do we call this figure? If opposite sides are parallel, then what do we call? Yes, it is a parallelogram. Now this is a parallelogram. And if we draw a diagonal BC here, we get two equal triangles that you have learned in the lower classes. In a parallelogram, diagonal divides into two equal triangles. So this one and this triangle and this triangle. These two triangles are equal triangles. Equal triangles means they have equal area also. And the same way you will get here also, this one here also we get a parallelogram, that is AEBC. This also a parallelogram, and this AB, it is the diagonal. So these triangles, these two triangles are also equal. And the same way here also. So we can get it here three more triangles having equal area, and they have equal measures also. Okay. So you can do these problems, this problem also as a homework. So first question, first part, page number 11, second question, those who don't know, try it once again and do it. And say next page number 12, fourth question, second part, and this fifth question. These also are the home assignments. You try it. If you don't know, call me. Okay, thank you.